This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Magnifier so you can see what's changing. Press Windows++ now. Once it appears, choose a mode: full screen for complete enlargement, lens for a movable zoom window, or docked to keep a strip at the top. Make sure to set an initial zoom level between 100% and 400% so text isn't pixel clipped. This prevents strain. You'll notice the interface reacts instantly. Use the plus and minus keys to fine-tune before moving on. Once Magnifier is open, configure controls so navigation is predictable. You can invert colors with Ctrl plus Alt plus I to increase contrast. This helps when whites glare. Then open Options and enable smooth edges to reduce pixelation, which improves readability. This is especially useful at high zoom. Finally, choose Tracking Behavior. Have Magnifier follow your mouse, your keyboard focus, or the text caret. These choices determine why the view jumps and how you keep context while working. To finish, practice exiting and quick resets so you stay efficient. Press Windows plus Escape to close Magnifier immediately. If the display becomes misaligned after docking, use Windows plus Home to reset window focus and recenter the zoom. Make sure to adjust zoom down slightly if things look blurry. High zoom can magnify pixels. If problems persist, re-enable smooth edges and switch modes between lens and docked to see which keeps text clearest. This single change often fixes visual issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.